The MV Agusta Rush 1000 is not your everyday naked bike. It's a hyper-naked masterpiece born from Italian passion and precision engineering. It takes the DNA of the MV Agusta Brutale 1000RR, then turns the volume up to 11. More power, more aggression, and more exclusivity. Every detail screams performance and luxury, designed for riders who want something rare, fast, and absolutely thrilling. Fire engine and performance. At the heart of the Rush 1000 lies a 998 cubic centimeters inline-four engine, producing a staggering 208 horsepower at 13,000 revolutions per minute and 116.5 newton-meters of torque at 11,000 revolutions per minute. With the racing kit, which includes a special ECU and titanium exhaust, power jumps to 212 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful naked bikes ever built. The power delivery is razor sharp, with incredible throttle response thanks to its ride-by-wire system and 8-injector setup. Whether on a straight highway or carving through corners, the Rush 1000 feels brutally fast, yet surprisingly controlled. Top speed exceeds 300 kilometers per hour, a figure usually reserved for full-fared superbikes. But the Rush achieves it naked, unapologetically exposed to the wind. Electronics and technology. MV Agusta packed the Rush with advanced electronics to tame its wild nature. You get 8-level traction control, wheelie control, cornering ABS with rear wheel lift mitigation, launch control, up/down quickshifter, EAS 3.0, cruise control. All these are managed via a 5.5-inch TFT display connected to the MV Ride app, which lets you view performance data, adjust riding modes, and even map your rides. This makes the Rush 1000 both fierce and intelligent, a balance of raw power and high-tech safety. Chassis, suspension, and brakes. The Rush rides on a chromoly steel trellis frame, paired with an Öhlins EC electronic suspension system. The semi-active setup continuously adapts to the road and your riding style, whether you're attacking corners or cruising casually. Braking is handled by the best in the business. Brembo Stylema calipers with 320mm front discs, giving phenomenal stopping power and confidence at any speed. The lightweight carbon fiber wheels and single-sided swing arm enhance agility and add visual drama. Gemstone design and aesthetics. Visually, the Rush 1000 is a work of art. It blends brutal aggression with Italian elegance. The exposed frame, futuristic headlight, carbon fiber everywhere, and that aerodynamic rear wheel cover make it look like it's moving even when parked. The single seat and minimal bodywork emphasize its purpose. It's not built for comfort or practicality. It's built to impress, intimidate, and perform. Every component, from titanium rods to carbon panels, reflects MV Agusta's obsession with perfection, ergonomics, and comfort. The riding position is sporty and aggressive, similar to a superbike. The seat height of 845 millimeters might challenge shorter riders, and the firm suspension isn't forgiving on bumpy roads. This bike demands attention and skill. It's not for beginners or casual city riding. However, for experienced riders, the ergonomics make perfect sense. Every control feels precise, and every movement translates instantly to performance. Pros: insane power and performance. 208 to 212 horsepower. Exotic Italian design and craftsmanship. Premium materials. Carbon fiber, titanium, Öhlins Brembo. Advanced electronics and connectivity. Unmatched exclusivity. Warning: cons. Extremely expensive to buy and maintain. Limited comfort for daily riding. High seat height. Rare parts and limited dealer availability in some regions. The MV Agusta Rush 1000 is a motorcycle built for passion, not practicality. It's for riders who see their machine as an extension of art and identity, a blend of raw mechanical power and sculpted beauty. Every twist of the throttle feels like a surge of adrenaline. Every ride, a special occasion. It's not the bike you need, it's the one you dream about. And when you finally ride it, you'll understand why they call it the Rush.